Here's how to switch back your Instagram account to your personal account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. First, open your Instagram account. Now, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, here you have to simply click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Moving on to the next step, click on the settings and privacy option. Here, go to the business tools and control option. Then scroll down and go to the switch account type and then click on the switch to personal account. Now here you have to confirm. After that, wait for a while until the account is being switched to personal account. So here, as you can see, our account has been successfully switched to our personal account. So that's how to switch your Instagram account to your personal account.